Good morning, thanks for joining me today on today's Instagram Live. This week we have done a blog about the free training that Astral Hygiene provide to all of our customers regardless of size, scope, sector, etc. So we provide free COSHH training on site or via Zoom, whatever kind of works best, for all customers who buy any kind of chemical from us, and that's an obligation that we take so seriously here because we take health and safety as the utmost importance. Keeping your employees engaged, safe, educated is so important in making sure that everybody knows what chemical can do what chemical is good for this cleaning, but also in terms of this hazard warning sign means this. So today I'm actually going out to our customer to train them on some COSHH training. So COSHH basically stands for Care of Substances Hazardous to Health. And everybody kind of gets one of these booklets here, which it's quite an in-depth, thick booklet, which we go through in the training to kind of tell you which chemicals you are buying, what they're used for, how dangerous or not dangerous they are, how to move and handle them, and all of that sort of really critical information that we as a distributor really like to share with our customers. This training is entirely free. It provides engagement for your teams. It provides an education for your teams. It kind of ticks the box for liability, mitigates risk, avoids hazards. So all of that sort of kind of good stuff. So we kind of kick off the training with what is COSHH. Does anybody know what it is? We talk about risk versus hazard. We talk about the hazard warning signs, which are on page 5. So we talk about these hazard warning signs here. So what do all of them mean? Which hazard warning sign is on which chemical? What to do if you get a chemical with this hazard warning sign on your skin or in your eye. We talk about the fact that all of the chemicals that are supplied from us have a QR code on them. You can scan that QR code. It brings up all of your MSDS sheets, the MSDS sheets, which is your material safety data sheets, and that material safety data sheet is what the consultant at the hospital will want to see if you do end up having to go to hospital. So as the outputs from our training would be myself or one of my team will arrive and train you with a COSHH booklet like this, and you will get, so this is one that I've prepared for a customer today, a full complement, a full bundle of your material safety data sheets. So your environmental health officer will want to see these safety data sheets on site so that your people, your team, your staff can access them, so they can pull them out of the folder and take them to hospital if necessary. They'll want to see the training records, the PPE that is required, which we go through in the training, and all of the evidence that this training has taken place, that you're taking it seriously, and all of these component parts of the training, they are ticking off the boxes for environmental health. As I've said, this training is entirely free. It can be repeated as many times as necessary, and the only requirement that we have is obviously we're trained only on the chemicals that we sell here. So the chemicals must be bought from us, and then I provide all of the packs and all of the information and all of the knowledge, etc. to audiences of 1. I've done audiences of 100. So any kind of size of audience we can cater for. So I kind of just wanted to jump on. There'll be a blog on our website. It's there now. I'm going to pop this video alongside it. And please share it, spread the word, because this is an entirely free service, and it's available to anybody who buys any kind of chemical from us here at Astral Hygiene. Thanks so much. Bye now.